Hello everyone, it's Mark from Face Installations. BMW 335D estate, having front and rear dash cam from GNet, going for the G On, 1080p, 60 frames per second, front and rear camera with parking mode. Let's see how we get on. Okay, so we finished. Let's have a little walk around and show you what we've done to this vehicle. So let's pop open the boot, show you the rear camera. And there's the rear camera, very, very discreet. Hidden the wires as tidily as possible. Looks really, really nice. Gets a good view out the back. Let's close the boot. Walk around to the front. Jump in. There we go. There's the front facing dash cam. GPS antenna in the top right hand corner. All the cables hidden up into the roof lining. Just show you it from the front. There you go. And it's in parking mode at the moment. The engine's off. You can see the light flickering, which means it's detected motion. And then when it stops detecting motion, you'll see the what we call night rider mode, where it sweeps back and forward, side to side. Yeah, so that means now it's back in detection mode. Oh, now it's picked up my motion again, so it's now recording that again in a video form. And yeah, this looks really, really nice. I've got a little LED on the back one, just so you can see that it's working there. Very discreet, so you can't really see it from outside, which is really nice. I think this is really, really nice, and this will protect this beautiful car. Hope the customer likes it. We certainly do.